In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter timesheets in Hubstaff. Whether you're tracking your own time or managing a team, learning how to effectively filter your timesheets can save you a significant amount of time and help you stay organized. Let's dive right into it and explore how you can easily navigate through your timesheets to find exactly what you need. First things first, you'll want to open Hubstaff and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Direct your attention there and find the option labeled Timesheet. This section is your gateway to accessing all of your time entries and associated data. Click on Timesheet to bring up the timesheet page. Once you've opened your timesheet, you'll see various time entries displayed. Now, to refine what you're looking at, you need to head over to the View and Edit section. This feature is particularly useful if you plan to make any changes or need a detailed view of your time logs. Locate View and Edit towards the top of your screen and give it a click. Doing this sets the stage for you to manipulate the data according to your needs. The next step is to apply a filter, which will help you zero in on specific details. Look for the Filter button, which should be on your screen, generally at the top. Clicking on Filter will open a menu or pop-up that will allow you to specify exactly what data you want to see. This is especially helpful if you're managing multiple projects or if you just need to see a particular time frame. When you activate the filter option, you'll be guided by on-screen prompts. These are incredibly helpful, as they walk you through selecting specific criteria to refine your search. You might be prompted to choose criteria such as date ranges, projects, or team members, depending on what you are looking for. Take a moment to think about what information is most relevant for you. If you're unsure about any of the options, you can always experiment with a few different settings to see how they alter your data view. This way, you get the opportunity to become more familiar with how the filtering system works, making future timesheet reviews even more efficient. Once you're satisfied with your filter settings, you can apply them to instantly see a curated view of your timesheet data. From there, you can make any necessary edits or simply review the information for your records. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully filtered your timesheets in Hubstaff. Remember, being proficient with these tools can greatly enhance your productivity, leaving you with more time to focus on what's most important. So, take advantage of this feature and make your time tracking processes as seamless as possible. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks